Rimi. Today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial on this look right here that I'm wearing right now. This is a very glam look and totally appropriate for Indian or Bengali wedding guest makeup. This is something totally up my alley when I'm going to a wedding. I love the red bold lips with it, with the nice shimmery green and gold eye. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to know how I got this look, then please keep watching.
Okay, so I'm starting off by priming my eyes with a concealer. I'm using my Bye Bye Under Eye concealer. For my eyeshadow today, I'm taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette. I just recently got this palette during the Sephora VIB sale, and I already love this palette. I'm taking this color Unity, and I'm applying this color all over my eyelid. Then on a smaller crease brush, I'm taking this color Lure from the palette and I'm applying this right on the crease. This color will act as a transition color. Next, I'm taking the color Saturn from the palette. This is a beautiful orange shade. I'm applying this color in the crease a little bit lower than the color Lure. And I'm just applying it kind of windshield motion back and forth and blending it away. I don't want this color to look too harsh. So now I'm taking my e.l.f. cream eyeliner in color Teal Tease and I'm applying this color with a flat synthetic brush, and I'm applying this in the inner and the outer corner of my eye. This is going to be the base for my halo eye look. And then I'm going in with a little concealer to carve out the center. Then I'm applying this color Throne with a synthetic flat brush on the inner and the outer corner, right where I placed the e.l.f. cream eyeliner. And for the center of my eye, I'm going in with the color Pyramid from the palette. I'm applying this color with a small synthetic flat brush. This way it applies much better. I wish I used my finger to apply this color because I feel like the specific shimmery shade from the palette applies much better with a fingertip than brush. Now I'm going back to the color Throne and I'm applying it on the outer and the inner corner again to kind of intensify the color. Okay, then I'm going back to the color Saturn again to just intensify the colors back on since it kind of blended away. Okay, now it's time for some brow bone highlight. I'm taking the color Lucid from the palette with the e.l.f. pencil brush and I'm applying it directly onto my brow bone. Now let's get started with the face. I have color corrected under my eye and around my mouth with the City Color of Color Corrector. And I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty foundation in color 290. I'm just blending my foundation with a beauty blender. And I also did my liquid eyeliner off camera. To set my under eye and the rest of the face, I'm taking Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in color medium. And I'm applying it all over my face. Now I'm going back to the eye. I'm applying this color Saturn all over the lower lash line. And then I'm taking the color Pyramid and Throne from the palette and kind of mimicking what I did on my eyelid. I'm already so in love with this palette, you guys. I can't even believe that I waited all this time to get this palette. This palette is gorgeous. Like, I look at this palette and I can just sit there and stare at this palette all day long. Now for the inner corner highlight, I'm taking the color Lucid again. I'm applying this color Wet this time. I went ahead and applied some false lashes and some black eyeliner in my waterline off camera. Then I'm taking Makeup Forever Excessive Lash Mascara for my lower lash line, and I'm also going to use this mascara to kind of blend in my lashes with the fake lashes. Now it's time to contour. I'm taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Palette in light to medium. You have seen me use this palette multiple times. I'm just lightly contouring my face with a small face brush. And then I'm using a small eyeshadow brush to contour my nose. I also like to apply the contour under my chin as well. I feel like this way it gives my face a nice chiseled look. I like how defined it makes my chin look. For my blush, I'm taking this Tarte Amazonian Clay Blush in color Magic and I'm applying it on the apples of my cheek. Then I'm going to highlight my face. I'm taking this Wet n Wild liquid highlighter. This is one of my favorite steps these days. I like to apply this liquid highlighter underneath my powder highlighter. I'm just applying the highlighter on the high points of my face and I'm blending it out using the Beauty Blender, a mixture of the Beauty Blender and my fingertip. Then I'm going to layer on some more highlighter using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit in Sun Dipped. I'm applying the color Summer and I'm just kind of layering it on top of the liquid highlighter. For this look, I wanted my highlighter to be like really glowing, so I wanted to go in with more. So I'm going in with the color Lucid from the Prism palette and on top of my other highlighter. So for my lips, I wanted to go really bold and red, so I'm applying a red lip liner to line and fill in my lips. And then on top of that, I'm going in with the Wet n Wild Catsuit liquid lip in color 930B, Missy and Fierce. So here's the finished look, you guys. I love the dramatic eye with the bold red lips. Look at that glow, like that lucid color gave a beautiful highlighted glow. I am in love.
If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then go ahead, hit that subscribe button and that bell button next to it so that you can get notified every time I upload a new video. I will also leave all the product details and my social media links down below in the description box. Check that out. Thanks for stopping by. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!